Hello friends, I am Hitesh. Welcome you all on our YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about one topic of an IC engine, that is comparison between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. As you see, there are two figures in the slide. The one is a two-stroke engine and the second is a four-stroke engine. So let's start the comparison one by one. In two-stroke engine, one power stroke is available in one revolution of the crankshaft, while in the four-stroke engine, one power stroke is available in two revolutions of the crankshaft. So, power developed for the same size engine speed theoretically twice that of the four-stroke engine, and in a four-stroke engine, power developed for the same engine speed is theoretically half that of a two-stroke engine. So, in two-stroke engine, uniform torque is obtained. As we know, one power stroke is available in one revolution of the crankshaft. So, lighter flywheel can be used in two-stroke engine. In other hand, in four-stroke engine, non-uniform torque is obtained. As we know, one power stroke is available in two revolutions of the crankshaft. So, heavier flywheel is required for the balancing. In two-stroke engine, simple design are lighter in construction for the same power, as valves are not used in this engine. In that place, ports are used. While in the four-stroke engine, for the same power, complicated design and heavier in construction. As we know, in the four-stroke engine, we use the valve and valve mechanism for the supply of fuel and exhaust of the gases. In two-stroke engine, due to the ports are used, so their design is very simple, so initial cost is very less. While in the four-stroke engine, we use the valve and valve mechanism, so design of the valve and valve mechanism is quite difficult, so initial cost is more. Two-stroke engines are generally air-cooled, while in the four-stroke engines are generally water-cooled. In two-stroke engine, starting is easy, and in the four-stroke engine, starting is not so easy. In two-stroke engine, mechanical efficiency is high. As we know, there are no moving parts like cam, follower, rocker arm, valves and etc. That's why its mechanical efficiency is high. While in the four-stroke engine, mechanical efficiency is less because the power is lost due to friction caused by the valve mechanism. In two-stroke engine, consumption of lubricating oil is more because less time is available to remove the heat. While in the four-stroke engine, consumption of lubricating oil is less because more time is allowed for removing the heat. In two-stroke engine, more wear and tear of moving parts, while in the four-stroke engine, less wear and tear of moving parts. In two-stroke engine, some of the fresh air plus fuel mixture may escape with the exhaust gases, hence fuel consumption is more. While in the four-stroke engine, fuel cannot escape with exhaust gases, so fuel consumption is less. In two-stroke engine, thermal efficiency is less, while in the four-stroke engine, thermal efficiency is more. In two-stroke engine, it produces more noise due to the sudden release of the exhaust gases, while in the four-stroke engine, noise is quite less because exhaust gases are released in separate stroke. In two-stroke engine, as we discussed earlier, scavenging is poor, so exhaust port is open only for the short period of time. That's why scavenging is poor in two-stroke engine. While in the four-stroke engine, scavenging is better since there is a separate exhaust stroke for removal of the exhaust gases. So scavenging is better in four-stroke engine. In two-stroke engine, that require a very less space. As we discussed earlier that no valves or valve mechanisms, cam and follower are not used in the two-stroke engine, so it require a very less space. While in the four-stroke engine, it require a more space. In two-stroke engine, we use a simple lubrication system that is also known as a splash lubrication system. And while in the four-stroke engine, the lubrication system is quite difficult, means complicated. So last we'll discuss here the application, the two-stroke engine that is used in light vehicles like bikes, scooters, mopeds, etc. And the four-stroke engines that are used in heavy vehicles like buses, lorries, trucks, etc. This is the based on application. So friends, this is the entire discussion of comparison between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. Hope you understand all the points. Here are some important questions related to our topic. Please look into it. Here are some more questions. And if you want to share your answers, find the link given in the description box. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.